Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This week we're making dumplings. I'm going to do 7 uploads in 7 days. This is the hashtag Chappy7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. So me and my little Chihuahua Mookie have saved you a seat at the bar. Sit back, relax, and pour yourself a drink. Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got an excellent episode. Today I'm going to take leftover tacos and make dumplings for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Without any further ado, roll the intro to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Come on now, Mookie, ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. For appetizers, we got taco dumplings. And of course, we need a beverage to go with our taco dumplings. So I'm going to make a Luxardo Aviation. And I got this recipe from mainspirit.com. Alright, very simple drink. I got a short glass. And we're just going to build it over ice. So 1 ice cube, 2 ice cube, okay, so we got 1/2 ounce of gin, and 1/2 ounce of Luxardo maraschino cherry liqueur. That's where the Luxardo part comes in to the Luxardo Aviation. And then the juice from 1/2 lemon and 1/4 ounce of creme de violette. And I have a nice lemon wedge for garnish. And that's a Luxardo Aviation to go with my fried taco dumplings. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.